So you're thinking about having a pool installed in the backyard of your Springfield area home down there in the Ozarks? That's exciting. Congratulations. No doubt you have a lot of research ahead of you, and one of your initial questions is most likely, what type of pool is the best fit for me? Is it vinyl liner, gunite, or fiberglass? Well, in today's video, we're going to give you several points of consideration to help you make that determination. So without further ado, let's get to it. So what type of pool is the best fit for you? I'm Christian with River Pools, and before we get started, I'll just say that River Pools focuses exclusively on the manufacturing and installation of fiberglass pools. But fiberglass pools are not the best fit for everyone. So in today's video, we're going to talk about who would and would not be a good fit for each type of pool. Let's start off with vinyl liner pools. All right, vinyl liner pools. They would be a good fit for someone who is looking for a more economical option in terms of having an in-ground pool installed. If you have a budget of $50,000 or less, a vinyl liner pool would be a good fit for you. Also, if you're looking for a bit of control over the shape, size, and design of your pool, know that vinyl liner pools are customizable in terms of the look and the shape. So those are two elements that would make a vinyl liner pool a good fit for you. Who vinyl liner pools would not be a good fit for are those who are not fond of the idea of having to replace the liner itself about every 7 years. The liner being replaced is going to cost anywhere from $4,500 to $5,500, and just know that you're also going to have to refill it with water and replenish your chemicals. That time frame is what we typically see from homeowners who own vinyl liner pools. They can last longer, but typically we're seeing liners have to be replaced about every 7 years. A vinyl liner pool may also not be a good fit for you if you intend on allowing your pets to swim in the pool. The liner itself is very susceptible to punctures and tears, especially from that excited retriever who's going after the ball you just threw in the pool, or the kid, or just jumping into the water in general. Those claws can put a hole in that liner very quickly. All right, let's talk about concrete pools, or gunite pools as they're commonly referred to. These might be a good fit for you if you want full control over the shape and design of a pool installed in your backyard, and you have a budget of at least $50,000 to $100,000. Could it go beyond that $100,000 mark? It absolutely could, depending on the scope of work and the design you put together. Let's talk about who concrete pools would not be a good fit for. It would not be a good fit for someone who is not fond of the idea of having a construction zone in your backyard for 6 months or more. Every element of the construction process to put a concrete pool in takes quite a period of time. And oftentimes families with young children or pets don't like the idea of a construction zone and lots of dirt and mud all over the place in and out of the home for such an extended period of time. So if you want a short construction process, a gunite pool or concrete pool may not be the right fit for you. In addition, it would not be a good fit for someone who is not fond of the idea of a lot of hands-on maintenance. The plaster finish in a concrete pool requires a lot of weekly maintenance in terms of chemistry, and certainly in terms of dealing with an algae bloom when that happens. And every pool owner will, no matter what type of pool you have. Also, when you deal with that algae bloom, it's going to make it very difficult to get that out of your pool, as algae likes to stick to this porous surface the plaster has behind it. You can expect about every 10 to 15 years to have to replace this plaster, meaning it all has to come off and new plaster has to go back on, unless you get your chemistry out of order and it stays that way for an extended period of time. That could actually degrade the plaster finish and lead to the need to have to replaster it much sooner. Okay, let's go talk about fiberglass pools. Fiberglass pool would not be a good fit for you if you want full control over the shape and design of your pool. Fiberglass pools are made from predetermined molds that are designed ahead of time. So every time we produce one from a mold, they're all going to be the same in that particular model line. It would also not be a good fit for you if you have a budget that is less than $50,000. Fiberglass pools tend to cost $50 to $100 or more, so your budget needs to be at least $50 to $100 for a fiberglass pool. Let's talk about who they would be a good fit for. If you don't mind the idea of choosing a fiberglass pool model that has predetermined features in it, such as tanning ledges, benches, and seats, and you like the general shape of it, well then fiberglass pools might be a good fit for you. It also might be a good fit for you if you are looking for the least amount of maintenance in terms of pool ownership possible. The gel coat finish on fiberglass pools is incredibly durable and incredibly smooth, making it easy to maintain and clean up when things happen, the pool gets dirty, or you experience an algae bloom. A gel coat finish is amazing. It also would be a good fit for you if you want the lowest ownership cost over a period of time. We talked about having to replace liners in vinyl liner pools. We talked about having to replaster concrete pools. A fiberglass pool does not ever need to be refinished. That gel coat surface can last for decades, and it's just simply never going to be a worry of yours. Lastly, a fiberglass pool would be a good fit for you if you are looking for the shortest period of time to complete the installation process. This pool shell was put in the ground just yesterday. The crew showed up, began excavating the hole, and today, day 2 of construction, it's in the ground full of water. That means that all of the finish work can happen that much sooner. The average fiberglass pool project can last anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, but we've seen it done in a record-breaking 8 hours and 15 minutes, of course, done by the founder of the company, Jason Hughes, years ago. We're trying to look for another job to do that again. Anyway, it's possible. Fiberglass is the fastest type of pool to install, and if that's what you're looking for, this might be a good fit for you. Okay, my friends in Springfield, the question now remains, after we've discussed all that we have, what type of pool is best for you, in your opinion? Let's quickly recap. A vinyl liner pool might be the best fit for you if you have a budget less than $50,000 and you don't mind the idea of having to replace that liner about every 7 years. On the other hand, a gunite pool might be the best fit for you if you want full control over the design, shape, and size of that pool and you have a budget between $50,000 and $100,000. Lastly, a fiberglass pool might be the best fit for you if you want the easiest type of pool to maintain, you have a budget between $50,000 and $100,000, and you want the pool type with the fastest installation process. I hope all of this information helps you kick off your successful pool research, helps you make the decision best for you and your family. We will see you in a future video, my friends. I'm Christian with River Pools. Catch the wave.